You think you're being polite, but in Japan, you might be doing everything wrong. Things Americans do in Japan that are actually rude. In America, not tipping is rude. In Japan, tipping is the rude thing to do. Japanese service culture is built on pride. Workers see excellent service as part of the job, not something that needs a cash reward. Handing someone a tip can imply their wages aren't enough, or worse, that you're looking down on them. Some servers will actually chase you out the door to return the money. You just grab a street snack. Eating it while walking? That's considered disrespectful in most parts of Japan. In Japanese culture, food deserves your full attention. Eating on the move is seen as sloppy and disrespectful to both the food and the people around you. Most Japanese people stop near the stall where they bought the food, eat there, and then continue walking. Even convenience store snacks are usually eaten outside the store, not while strolling down the street. Walking into a Japanese home or traditional restaurant with your shoes on is a serious mistake. Almost every Japanese home has a genkan. That's the entryway where you remove your shoes before stepping inside. The floor level actually changes to signal where the indoor space begins. Wearing shoes past that point is like tracking dirt into someone's bedroom. If you see a row of slippers near the entrance, that's your cue. Take your shoes off and put the slippers on. On the subway in New York, everyone's talking. In Tokyo, everyone's silent. The difference is striking. Japanese trains are almost silent. People avoid phone calls, keep music in their earphones, and speak in hushed tones if they talk at all. It's not a written rule most of the time. It's just deeply understood. Loud conversations, especially in a foreign language at full volume, draw uncomfortable stares. Phone calls are considered especially rude. Many trains even have signs asking you to set your phone to manner mode, which means silent. This one looks harmless. But passing food directly from chopsticks to chopsticks is deeply taboo in Japan. In Japanese Buddhist funeral ceremonies, the bones of the cremated deceased are passed from person to person using chopsticks. So doing that same motion at the dinner table is a powerful reminder of death. It's one of the most serious chopstick taboos. If you want to pass food to someone, place it on their plate instead. Never hand it chopstick to chopstick. Americans blow their nose freely in public. In Japan, doing that at a restaurant table or in a crowd is considered really gross. Here's the irony. In Japan, sniffling is acceptable, but loudly blowing your nose in front of others is not. The preferred move is to step away somewhere private, like a bathroom, and handle it there. Many Japanese people will quietly excuse themselves rather than blow their nose at the table. It can feel backwards to Americans, but it's the norm. In the US, pointing at something or someone is totally normal. In Japan, it's seen as aggressive and rude. Japanese people typically use an open hand, palm facing up, to gesture towards something or someone. Pointing a single finger is considered too direct and confrontational. You'll even notice this in Japanese TV hosts and tour guides. They almost never point with one finger. If you're trying to indicate a direction or a person, use your whole hand with a gentle, sweeping motion instead. Sticking your chopsticks straight up in a bowl of rice looks like a bad idea. And in Japan, it is. Upright chopsticks and rice directly resemble incense sticks placed in offerings for the dead, a key part of Japanese funeral and memorial rituals. It's one of those visual associations that's immediately recognized by Japanese people. When you're not eating, rest your chopsticks horizontally on the chopstick rest or on the edge of your bowl. It's a small detail that shows a lot of respect. On escalators in Japan, one side is for standing, one side is for walking. Getting it wrong holds up the whole flow, and people will notice. Japan is one of the most welcoming countries in the world for tourists. People are patient and rarely call you out directly, but that doesn't mean your mistakes go unnoticed. The Japanese concept of reading the room, called kuki wa yomu, or literally reading the air, means people pick up on social missteps even when they say nothing. Learning these small rules goes a long way. It shows you respect the culture, not just the Instagram shots. And that makes the whole trip better for you and for everyone around you.